It all started out by me gaining the reputation as the walking man's friend. I love helping people. I love seeing them be able to get back on their feet and to help reestablish their credit. We believe that bad things happen to good people, and they do. But we also want to be on the other side to help them and to show them a way that they can improve their life. And we have a department that concentrates only on bankruptcies. So they're very knowledgeable in all the paperwork that they need, what needs to happen before this person can actually get into a car.
We have the lenders in place that will accept that type of financing, but we also have the knowledge and the experience between the 3 locations to handle this type of financing.
People that show up in a taxi or show up on a scooter never would in their life think that they can leave in a 2016 Hyundai Elantra or a 2016 Mustang. They never thought they could.
A lot of attorneys out there aren't familiar with being able to do this, being able to put a customer actually in a vehicle during a Chapter 7 or during a Chapter 13.
The process and the laws are ever changing, so we have to stay current with that. And the relationships that we've built over the years have helped us to be able to do that.
The paralegals we work very closely with, we have great relationships with local attorneys, and they respect us, we certainly respect them, and they know that we're going to take the best care of our customers and their client.
They will do anything and everything they can to get someone in a vehicle. They will work that deal to death. They will talk to different lenders to try to make something happen.
We'll go ahead and get a bill of sale together for a vehicle that they like, that's reasonable within their payment range. We'll send that over to the paralegals with the attorney, and they'll get the process going. And sometimes that process can happen as quickly as a week or 2.
We do have the experience to help guide the customer in conjunction with their attorney. It is very important for us to be on the same page and understand how the whole process works.
There's a lot of ways that you can screw something up, for someone who's in a bankruptcy. And if you don't do it the right way, that's going to happen. We're knowledgeable enough that we do it the right way.
We put you in a good car at a fair price, give you realistic payments that you can afford, and we also help you reestablish your credit.
We do have the experience, we do have the knowledge, but I think more importantly, we treat these people with compassion. They're like any other person that walks through that door.
Well, everybody that comes in here, I don't care if it's a bankruptcy customer or if it's a guy that has an 800 Beacon, we're going to treat them the same, just like you'd want to be treated when you came in.
My whole family, we're all very religious. We love to include God in all this. We would never be here if it wasn't for Him. He has blessed us so much, and I can't even begin to describe. My dad has the biggest heart of anyone.
I feel like we are a ministry. We're a transportation ministry, because without transportation, you can't get to work.
I mean, I've seen people in tears. I've seen them throw their arms around me or the salesperson. Because we're doing something for them that a lot of people can't.
It makes it worth it. And to see that smile on their face when they leave the door, I'm like, all that time, those hours spent with them was so worth that ending.